Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to another update. I have a small weekly update for you. I will discuss that. What are the possible structures? I know everyone's getting frustrated by seeing this sideways move. We'll discuss the possible scenarios from now till the end of the week. Time cycles, we are in a minor time cycle zone. We'll discuss about that also. The intraday setup using the intraday vibration level, all that. Today also we had a good setup. Past 3 days back to back to back. I have been sharing some practice moves which I am practicing, also scalping in the Telegram group. I have also shared the super trend settings. Now, this is part of the super trend strategy. I have not released a guide video. I'm telling you clearly right now. I have not yet released a guide video, but for the Telegram members, I have shared the super trend settings for those who have requested. Now, the request time zone is over. Monday, Tuesday is finished. I gave second chance those who wanted the super trend settings. For the remaining people who have missed it, you have to wait till the super trend strategy free version guide comes out by the end of the month. You'll have to wait till then. Anyway, let's get into the video. We'll discuss first the structure. Now, I'm not going to go very deep into the explanation because this is just a small midweek update. We'll just directly discuss what are the possible scenarios. We'll start off with the first possible scenario. I'll write it down so you guys will be clear for you. First possible scenario is that we are tracking an ED contracting. All right. Contracting ED. Simple. Now, from where? In the weekly update, we have already discussed this, that from this move here, this has come in sort of a three-wave pattern, right? It has come in a three-wave pattern. So if this is still going to continue in a three-wave pattern, this move also has come in a three-wave. So this is an internal three. Drop also came as a three. This also is a three-wave pattern. So if this is going to continue as an ED contracting pattern, this something like this will happen in the next few days. Now this low will come on 21st or on Monday, right? This will happen on 21st or Monday. Rare case it can happen tomorrow, but I don't think it's going to happen tomorrow because it is just your expiry day. Expiry game will happen. Volatility will be there as usual, right? Anyway, so 21st or Monday, this move should be completed as ED contracting. First option. Next option, what do we have? We have, if you see very clearly, that some important techniques which we have discussed in the advanced concept, few members have highlighted this, or can this be a possibility? Let me update that also. 1, 2. Some people are thinking this is a three-wave row. This, if we want to mark it as a third wave should come somewhere here. All right. Then some sort of a fourth wave going on here. But why are we not considering this is because this move here is not an impulse. This 3.5, 3.3, right? 3.5, this is not an impulse, right? So this 3.5, it's not an impulse. How do we tackle this scenario? If it's not an impulse, then this move is still going on. Try to understand that. Magic EMA, like I told you, subwave or main wave. Use that for the advanced concept members. So if this is a three-wave pattern, and this is the reason why we are considering ED contracting still going on. Simple as that. All right. So from this point, if you want to consider this as a fourth wave, we'll keep this as a last option. Okay. So this will be my third option as wave 4 from bottom. Simple. So in that case, if you're considering this as a wave 4 from bottom, this can be anything at the moment. It can be your A, B, C, contracting B, some complex B will come, and then C wave. This can also be a possibility. And let's draw your Fibonacci retracement in that case. In that case, Fibonacci retracement 38 to 50% zone. This will be our interested zone if we get a pullback like this. If we get a pullback on top like this, then 30 to 50% zone will be our interested area for the next move. All right. If this you're considering as a wave 4 from bottom. So in that case, what do we want to see? If price has to go up, then we want to see some sort of a small low tomorrow or on Friday. And then from there, we want to see a move like this. We don't want to see this low break, because the simple reason is if this low breaks, this can be a very complicated pattern for a wave 4. If you're considering as a wave 4, this can be a very complicated. This is one of the most dangerous waves. Every single video almost in Elliot wave master course, I've told you wave 4s are very dangerous. So if you're tracking this wave 4, then it is up to you. And just keep in mind, this kind of dangerous moves can happen in wave 4. It can go sideways. It can go like this, triangle, any shape. It can cause an irregular flat pattern like this. Anything is possible. All right. So right now we are keeping that as a last option, wave 4 as the last option. So what is the next option, the middle option? Here, if you see very clearly, I'll go down to a smaller time frame, so it'll be clear now. What is this pink color box I've drawn? This is nothing but the FRVP zone. Again, if you have not studied the FRVP, I highly recommend you study it. It is very, very powerful. FRVP is fixed range volume profile. Price plus time. Then third step is volume. Okay, this is the third step. Do not skip this. Sorry, do not skip first, second. So if you have studied price analysis, Elliot Wave Master Course, that is only one step. Then you have to study time. You can do that on your own research or whatever. But for advanced concept members, AC members, I have given one time analysis method for them. All right. So for them to understand FRVP is very easy, because they have price analysis and time analysis. They know something about it. Volume is very, very difficult, high level. But again, I have broken it down and made a small 2 videos I've made, one for traps, one for key levels. Trap video is available only in English. This will come to again Tamil. It'll come in the next few weeks. I hope so. After I finish advanced concepts for Tamil people. Now, key levels is available in English, Tamil, and Hindi. I'll post the links for both videos down in the description. This is the key level which has been used here, right? So I'll keep this first. Watch this video, try to understand what is happening. We'll discuss that further in the weekend when I discuss some more detailed analysis of traps. I'll discuss that. Right now, this much information is more than enough. Now, the last option which we have 2 options, right? We have made 2 options. Now, the last one, very clear. I'll be very, very clear in this. From the bottom, market started as a 3-wave pattern, right? Fell down, made some complex move here, but ultimately it ended up in again a 3-wave pattern like this. So when the price was trading at this point, I have given you an update that market can go all the way up to 23,050 level, or we are continuously going to go down, right? These were the 2 possibilities. Now, when you saw this move also was a 3-wave pattern, we had a target already in our mind, 23,050. And at this point, exactly today morning, I told you, do not trust any up move. Do not trust any up move till expiry gets over. Simple as that. Because if this is your A wave, B wave came as a gap down, and C wave pump, I told you this can be a pump and dump. Almost the entire move is completed. Almost 78%. We need that. That is completed, right? So this is a simple pump and dump scenarios. There are many other scenarios which happen in the market. Let's get back into our topic. The last case which I want to discuss with you. If you see this rally is 267 points. The next leg of the move, 248 points. Smaller wave. If you check the pullbacks in the market, these 2 pullbacks, let me just change the color. Okay. Pullback is 191 points. This one is 191.15, 0.15 difference. Now, this is for me a big difference, but again, I'll just keep updating this for you. Structure wise, if you look at it, wave A, B, C, D, E. Okay. This is nothing but your contracting diagonal pattern. All right, contracting diagonal pattern. The next leg, if you're marking this is an A, B, C, D, E, this leg should be smaller than 248 points. Now there is one small change here, small issue here. We have wave B and wave D. So wave D should be smaller than wave B. As per the rules I follow very strictly, not even 0.1 should break. Okay, not even 0.1 should break, but I'll just leave this as another option. I'm just keeping it because tomorrow, in case we have a gap up and some market starts to rally, I'll keep this option. That's all. I am not considering this option. If it gets activated, that means tomorrow we will directly see a straight move. Then this 0.1515 we have to ignore, right? Tomorrow, if by any chance this swing low is broken, even by one more point, then this will get cancelled. This entire setup will get cancelled. So what is the setup? We'll just mark it. Second option is nothing but your ED contracting up. First one is down, this is up, right? So invalidation for this is invalid if what breaks. Now these kind of notes, I want all the advanced concept members, I have already told you many times that you have to keep these kind of notes all the time in your charts, because this will help you to simply just by one glance you can understand what research you have done, what study you have done, all that. So 22,859, right? What is the low here? Let me just check exact low. 858.8. Okay, so 22,858. If this breaks, then this becomes invalid, this contracting diagonal up. So first priority we have as ED contracting down from 22 to 30. We'll just keep that round figure 23 to 30, right? So this is very clear right now. So we have three possibilities. We have noted all three possibilities. We'll keep that in mind going forward tomorrow. Time cycle wise, very simple. We are in a minor time cycle zone now. This is a minor time cycle zone till the next time cycle zone. We have no other time cycle in between. So 18th to 21st is going on. So only decision we can make is when right now the price is going contracting. You've seen fast move and price has stopped. It has gone sideways. So my only issue is that if market, we wanted to see, like I told you, we wanted to see an intermediate high. If this is going to be a low, I wanted to see an intermediate high like this. But this is a very small high. This is almost, we cannot consider that. Anyway, that is not our responsibility. How market behaves, we cannot control it. Here, if we are making the ED contracting pattern by 21st or by Monday, we can see a bounce back in the market. All right, to at least the first week of March. We'll discuss that later, but right now it's very important to focus on the structures we have. We have three options. We have noted all three options. Going back to the super trend strategy now, I'll be very clear with you. I'll repeat it only once. I have not given any guide. All right, I have not provided any guide regarding super trend strategy yet. It will come in the month end. In that, all the rules, all the structures to follow, all that will come. All right. So super trend settings, everything. So right now the super trend settings I've told you, I've given just the settings. I told you guys, those who have it, practice on your own. What happened here? We found vibration level, first time zone, no vibration level. This is intraday Friday. What happened is very simple. Vibration level found. 99% people, even after I give you the settings, even after I make the guide, you will still not be able to practice this properly, because if you are focused on taking trades only, you will be in a big hole stuck for your entire journey in this, because you are not focusing on market structure. Simple as that. I'll tell you what, I'll be very clear here. You have to have three rules. First one is market structure. Next is your vibration level. I told this today also. Finally, only super trend. Okay, final is a super trend. Last step, it is nothing. It's just 2 minutes work, super trend. So what personally I do is I turn it off. I turn it off only when I understand market structure and then vibration level is found. Only then I turn this on to see what are the possible setups. That is how I practice, right? And practicing, I've shown you already the demo account. I've showed you every day. Past 3 days, we have been practicing nearly 17,000 for one lot is very good. It's actually very good. Also playing very safe in this kind of market. In this kind of a market, 17,000 scalping is very, very right. Again, that is only demo. I am not going to show you or teach you how to trade in the market because I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. I'm giving you all the tools for you to practice. All right. So what happened here? Vibration level found. What did the price do? Price went up. Price went up first. Now I've told you before so many times. I'll repeat it again. Entry methods. What people can do in the demo accounts is first one is the little bit brainless method. No brain required here. No skill required. If price goes above this, people can look for a long setup, bullish setup. If price goes below it, you can look for a bearish setup. That is using only level. So if price crosses here, if price crosses this level, if you take a long in your demo account, you should be ready in case price comes below it. You have to take again short. All right. So that is the issue with only trading based on level. But if you trade based on structure in your demo accounts, you know in advance that this is a three-way pattern. I'll go down to 1 minute chart so you'll understand better. Okay, so this is your 1 minute chart, same structure. Today, from here, this was a three-way pattern, irregular flat. Now, at this point itself, you know when this irregular flat started, this is your wave A, wave B, and wave C. Once this A, B, C is finished, it will fall down. It will fall down. So at that time, if you're waiting like me, I waited till this point. If you see my, I think till 12:30 or something, right? Till I entered a little bit late in my own scalping, but again, structure was this, and I exited when this low broke. This is where I exited because I thought, okay, maybe I'll play safe. My initial target was this. This is the level you must target. This is your GAN level, right? From one level to the next one. This is also intermediate level. So this is in between. So I took a safe exit here. All right. Now, very important for you to practice market structure. I'm telling you now also, you have enough time, more than 1 week. Study the Elliot Wave Master Course. Advanced concept members don't need to ask me doubt further now. You don't have to contact me also now because after this release of Supertrend strategy and method, it is very simple for you. You understand. You will understand with this small practice. You will understand how to navigate the market very easily, right? So for the Elliot Wave Master Course students, Telegram group, join there. Link is in the description. Simple. Supertrend strategy will be released month end. If you are interested to learn it, join the Telegram group. All right. Simple, guys. I'm not promising or telling you can do loss recovery. I'm not going to fake it because everything depends, like I told you, on market structure study. All right. This is 80% of the game. Your vibration level and super trend, don't think this is the key. This is not the key. This is just both combined. This is only 20% of the game. This is only 20%. So it depends where your focus is on. If you're focused, like I'm telling you again and again and again, it has to be on market structure. This is 80% of the game. So the point where I'm telling is market structure, super trend broke here on top also, right? But I waited for this to break down. Simple, right? So my point here is that market structure will clarify which super trend signal you must follow. I'm telling you now itself, market structure will clarify which super trend signal you must avoid, which one you must follow, right? We have vibration level and super trend is just two small things. Market structure is the key here. to help understand market structure better, to help, to convert this analysis into a setup. This is where super trend and vibration level will help you. That's all. Analysis to setup. That's all. All right. Anyway, let's just quickly look at your weekly levels now. Weekly levels tomorrow, we have your time zone. Time zone is around 12:45 to 2:30 p.m. 15-minute chart. First one, I gave you this simple time zone here. Not much effective because the entire week is sideways. Tomorrow we'll see, like we discussed, either market comes down and goes back higher, or market does something like this. We'll see that. All right. So I'll keep you updated regarding vibration level in the Telegram group live market. Last bit of this video is just portfolio, draft portfolio, how. This is nothing but your Sensible platform. Again, let me tell you, this is not a sponsored or a promotion for Sensible. I have been using this for a long time. So I'll just give you a small update on how it works, how I look at how I use draft portfolios or demo account. Once you log in your Sensible account, just go on top. There are two things. There's a draft portfolio. There's a strategy builder. So you can go directly here, but avoid this. Directly go to strategy builder. Okay. So once you click this strategy builder, your page will look something like this. It'll look like this. Once you come here, you can make custom strategies. You can make ready-made strategies there. Your bull, put call ratios and all that. Neutral, sideways, bearish, all that is there. You can make your own. If you click custom, strike option chain is there. Your option chain with your dates, expiries, strike, strangles and strike. This is not interested right now. I'm not interested to discuss that. You can explore it on your own. Futures is there, synthetic as well as usual. What you need to do here, you can either click on buy and sell to create your position. Okay, that you can navigate on your own. It's not a big deal. My important point here is something called draft portfolios. Click on draft portfolios, create new portfolio. Okay, create new portfolio. You will have inside that portfolio, when you click it, there'll be my strategy. Okay, you just rename it, change it. Once you click that, you can add a draft trade like this. You can click buy here and then click save. Make sure before you click save, you are correct. You are selecting the strategy which you want to save it in. Right. So once I click that, then I will add a small trade here. Simply, this is again draft. I'll just click save. All right. Your entry and average, all that will come in last traded price, all that. All right. Go back strategies. You can go back here. This is what I created this in the starting of the week, intraday, scalping only from 17th to 21st, right? So 17th, we had a good move, 18th and 19th. See, all the trades are here, same exact ones. I've taken the screenshot and posted in the Telegram group, live in the market. Anyway, so my point here is not to show my skill. Again, I'm just an analyst. I'm not a trader. Here, I'm just guiding you how to practice in the live market, how you can practice using your demo account. This is a demo account. I have no sponsorship with Sensible. All right. So I hope you take away something from this video. I'll see you in the Telegram group for tomorrow's intraday setup. Right now, 3 possibilities, all are tricky. Play safe in the market. If you want to play, best to avoid. Personally, those who have taken the energy charts, my positive energy is going to get over tonight. So I'll be playing very defensive. If I'm also active in the market tomorrow and day after, I'll be very defensive. I told you already, in the beginning of the month, I have seen many energy charts. Those who have taken energy charts from me for the month of Feb, their starting is very negative and ending is very negative. So last week of Feb is going to come. Many people have highly negative period in Feb towards the last week. So highly negative period as an energy. Now, those who have energy charts, they know how to navigate it. Those who don't have, I'm telling, be cautious. Right? I'll see you in the weekly analysis video next in the weekend. After that, we will go directly into the super trend strategy. Important video will come out at the weekend regarding volume analysis, traps, and what is happening in the market. Make sure you watch the FRVP first and second video. I'll put that in the link in the description. Watch both of them. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.